Parmesan garlic.
Oh my god. Hey, the Parmesan garlic is so great.
But you can't eat more than 4 or
I
6
can't.
of them.
I eat like 12,
Yeah,
20.
you're gonna have a stomach ulcer because of how much garlic is in it.
I love it.
What has Parmesan garlic?
The boneless chicken B-dubs.
Boneless chicken. What?
B-dubs.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo
Wild Wings. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your name?
My name is Gage.
Gage.
Yeah.
Okay, and where are you from, Gage?
I'm from Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Right.
And tell me, what did you just buy a little while ago?
I bought this nice pop
Pop. So you call it pop. Why didn't you call it soda?
because everyone around me in Nebraska calls it pop.
So everybody in Nebraska calls it pop.
Yeah, pop for the most part, sometimes soda.
Outstanding, outstanding. What?
What?
All right. Thank you, Gage.